So welcome to episode 3 of the Nash Airflyte Ambassador 1951. The front clip is grafted on. You can see there. It's all grafted, fully welded, both sides, plug welded, seal welded, the whole works. So now that that's finished, I've got the pleasure of trying to put this Small Block Chevy Turbo 350 trans into here. So I took a ton of measurements and I've been messing around with a tape measure and a straight edge and all sorts of shit, and I determined that I got to cut a bit of the firewall and the transmission tunnel out. So I laid it out and I've got it hacked out. So that's about what I determined was the right amount to come out, and then I'll put the motor and trans in and then determine if I have to cut out more or if I can just start rebuilding the tunnel and the floor and the firewall. So I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna pop that out of there. I'm gonna get some motor mounts set up on this thing, and I'm gonna try to put it in. So I'll try to make a video of that because I'm hokey as fuck. Anyway, be right back. So, cut the hole out. Next step is to get that engine in there. It's a Fred Flintstone car right now. Look at that. Okay, I've got the motor on the engine hoist. Got firewall, trans tunnel cut out. So here we are. This is we'll see if it's going to fit. Sorry I can't keep the camera rolling, but I'm doing a million things at once here. I'm trying to do this by myself because everybody's busy. And so am I. So it's going to be awesome. That is going to fit in there. Right? Right. 100%. Well, I would I be too forward into saying that, I don't know when I paused the camera, but like maybe 10 minutes ago, she's in. Just got 2 bolts in right now. Minimal swearing, like no swearing. I got 2 bolts in and it looks like there's no interference. And the transmission looks like it's right tucked up inside of there. Let's have a look at that trans tunnel and see if I really had to cut that much out. Yes, I did. Wow. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Some could be fooled. Suckers. Anyway, so let's get this all bolted up. That's the end of episode 3. So like my videos. If you like them, like them. If you like them, also subscribe and hit that little bell and whatever. Leave a comment if you have any questions. If you think I'm an idiot, that's possible too. So anyway, rock and roll. Bessie Custom Fab.